How's it going, everybody? Today we got to install for the JLT 3.0 Catchcan. So what we're gonna do here is just pop these suckers on like this. Swivel this arm down under here. We gotta pull off this little plate here, the intake manifold cover. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's a PCV valve right here. Just take this, put it on there, press it down until it clicks. And it's on there now. Literally like a 2-minute install. This is the original hose. There's clamps on the side here. You literally just pull them down with your finger where they're connected onto here. Just slide off. And then you're good to go after that. Just realign your manifold cover, press it down. Make sure it's locked into place, both sides. And you're good to go. Then it's all installed after that. Sorry for the dirty engine bay. Gotta clean that here soon. But yeah, that's about it. Should be like 2-3 minute install. This one comes all put together by itself. I know some others you have to put together, but this one's pretty much ready to go out of the box. I'll probably do an update video too to show how much it catches over time. But yeah, that should be about it. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, how's it going, everybody? It's 91 degrees here in SoCal. It's really hot. I'm like dying. Just did the video installation for the JLT oil separator, aka Catchcan. It's having some issues with this procal tune that I have for the Ford Performance or Ford Power Pack 2. It's been recently giving me problems with wide open throttle. I noticed that I hear like a kind of a metallic rattling. It almost sounds like knock sensors or the car's pinging, and that's definitely a no bueno situation. So I did a bunch of research online, and a bunch of different people said, you know, Ford acknowledged it, or at least Ford Racing did, and they said, hey, you know, if you put a Catchcan on your car, Jesus, that it'll stop oil vapors from getting into the intake manifold, and that'll result in the octane not being lowered than what it is right now, because in California there's only 91 octane for pump gas for the most part. So just giving it a shot here, just get my car warmed up. I haven't done any pulls yet to see, but we'll just see how it goes. Going out right now, gonna grab some Wendy's, gonna fuck that shit up, and then meet up with some of the car club people I'm in. We're gonna do some street racing tonight, or better yet, we're gonna do some fun driving. So I'm gonna do that stuff in Mexico. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a long drive though. Probably won't get there till like 12. But yeah, we'll get some pretty good content tonight with that. So far the car only has 14,000 miles on it. Got over 5,000 last year in October. It's a 2017 GT performance pack, the base model GT, but it's a great car, and the power pack adds a lot of fun to it for keeping the warranty and stuff like that, and also getting that tune. But if things don't work out with this tune, because I just don't want to risk it, it's not worth keeping the warranty if my car blows up. But who knows if it even does, but I don't think I want to risk that. So if this Catchcan doesn't fix the issue, I'm most likely just going to go with Lund Racing, since they're really baller with email tunes and remote tuning, and I really love and support Alex Flores, no homo. He's a really good tuner, and I've been following him since he worked at VMP, and I watch his YouTube stuff. You should check him out. But yeah.